Hi, you guys, this is Miss Tao. We have finally finished up on our first civilization, Mesopotamia, and we are going to talk about our second civilization, ancient Egypt. Today, you will have an introduction to ancient Egypt by watching a vocabulary and having a short discussion. And then we will also talk about where ancient Egypt is located, and we will work out a map together. When you think of ancient Egypt, what do you think of? What comes to mind? Whether it is a word, an object, put that in your chat box for a class discussion. Good job, you guys. We will now watch a vocabulary, and when you are going to watch this, what you hear, I want you to write down some of the things you hear about ancient Egypt from this video. And then I also want you to take a look at some of the similarities between ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia from this video.
Can't walk like me? Nah. Take a walk with me though. Okay. Walk like an Egyptian. Yo, yeah. They say the Nile gave us Egypt. Try planting crops on the beach, and you can believe it. The yearly flood left rich dirt cold silk, so they planted in the soak, and the farms got built around the Nile. They got together to feel alright, like Bob Marley, planting cotton, wheat, and barley, writing on papyrus and hieroglyphics. That's the Egyptian alphabet you can get with. Am I a dimwit? I can't believe it. I can't read it. Looks like symbols to me. Nah, it's simple, you see. The Rosetta Stone let us know how to decipher the code. So now we study the old words that were written in stone. They believed in the afterlife. They get strips of cloth and they wrap you tight. Yeah, pharaohs will get mummified and buried with food and clothes for the great unknown. Whoa, walk, walk like an Egyptian. Walk, walk like an Egyptian. We built the pyramids, we built the Sphinx, and then we wrote it down in hieroglyphics. Walk, walk like an Egyptian. Walk, walk like an Egyptian. We built the pyramids, we built the Sphinx, and then we wrote it down in hieroglyphics. What? I'm Osiris, Lord of the Dead. Don't mess with me, boy, I'll put a sword to your head. We fight invaders effortlessly, cause we're insulated by the desert and the seas. Upper and lower, we're divided up. Yeah, Patel, Pharaoh, Medes, he united us. In 3100 BC, he said, I want my son to be Pharaoh after me. I'll start a dynasty. King Tut died before he got old, but King Tut got a mask made of gold. So Pharaoh sit back, sip tea, and get rich while workers break their backs to build the pyramids. 50 stories tall, that's incredible. They use ramps to move stones so they're handicap accessible. If you're a pharaoh whose last breath goes, you got buried in a pyramid like it's your gravestone. Walk, walk like an Egyptian. Walk, walk like an Egyptian. We built the pyramids, we built the Sphinx, and then we wrote it down in hieroglyphics. Walk, walk like an Egyptian. Walk, walk like an Egyptian. We built the pyramids, we built the Sphinx, and then we wrote it down in hieroglyphics. What?
That was really cool. In this song, it actually talked a lot about ancient Egypt. So right now, for a class discussion, talk about what you heard from the song and possibly some similarities between ancient Egypt and ancient Mesopotamia. Put that in the chat box. Good job, you guys. So let's discuss, where is Egypt? Do you know where it's located? Let's take a look at a map. So here is a world map. And where the red star is at, that is where we are located. And the yellow star is where Mesopotamia, where we just finished talking about Mesopotamia for the last week. That is where Mesopotamia is located. So in your chat box, can you guess whether ancient Egypt is in number 1, 2, or 3? Put that in your chat box. If you guess number 3, you are correct. And it is in blue. You see how close Egypt and Mesopotamia were? They were basically neighbors. Good job, you guys. So when we take a closer look at ancient Egypt, Egypt is in Africa. And it is between the Mediterranean Sea here and the Red Sea. And here is a map from the Old Kingdom from 2800 BC. And as you can see from the song that talks about Lower Egypt and Upper Egypt, and here is your Nile River here. And with your teacher today, you guys will locate, label an ancient Egypt map. And here is a colorful ancient Egypt map, and it actually labels and tell you where a lot of these artifacts and pyramids are at. Isn't that cool? All along the Nile River, you can see artifacts and statues and pyramids that were left behind. Have a great day, you guys.